Hello, this is my fireworks stash. Got some. I went to the Avi to get all this stuff. So, Beast, crackers. It's they're explosives. Got a couple of those. They all came in a box. Some of these in it, but a little tiny pack, 50 slot. Just little snaps, grizzly snaps. I'm gonna give this to my sister. They give me a little cool smoke grenade. A real thick fuse, real. Got a chicken. That's all fucked up, but whatever. Got another chicken. Got some Saturn missiles. 25 shots. Well, looks might set those off. Got a little Grizz cone. Emits showers of sparks. That's pretty cool. So we got a little thing called Jack in the Box. It says emits showers of sparks and spins on ground. Flammable. Alright. So these are regular fountains. It's a Chuckles fountain. Emits showers of sparks. Great Grizzly. Put that back up in there. Ugh. Now we got the Slammer fountain. Nice, good. Emit great Grizzly. Now it's saying great fireworks to get great Grizzly. Some Witch World. No, Witch Doctor. Sorry about that. Emit showers of sparks fountain. And got one here called Snow. It's emits showers of bright, colorful stars. Kind of same thing. This one sounds pretty interesting. Got a couple diamonds and emeralds. Little fountain by Great Grizzly. Got a City Lights fountain. Pretty cool. Here we go. I got Twitter glitter. These look like a fountain, but these ones emit showers of sparks, shoot flame balls, and reports. So these are kind of like nice fountains, real good fountains. Got a Happy New Year. Emit showers of sparks and shoots flaming balls. So that one's by Mega Banger. The other one was by Mega Banger too. Blue Stars with Report, shoots flaming balls and reports by Warhead. And these are pretty nice. Gonna light those all off on New Year's. Whoa, pretty heavy one right here. Halley's Comet. It says shoots flaming balls. It's 9 shots of whistling comets. So let's see how those go by Mega Banger. Kaleidoscope. Same thing. Emits showers of sparks and shoots some flaming balls. My fuse Mega Banger again. So here's an interesting one. Garden and Spring. Emits showers of sparks, shoots flaming balls, and reports. It's a little nice one. I got 2 of those actually. You want to see another one? Those are both by Warhead. So now we're going on to more stuff. Put that back. Wild Geese Rockets. Says flammable rockets. Nice big long sticks. Got a couple Mega Skyrockets. Flammable rocket and shoots up in the air. Pretty real thick stick. Nice. If you guys are gonna get some fireworks and you guys are out in Nevada or by Laughlin, go to the Avi. This is where I got all this stuff pretty cheap. Only 140 for all this. Mega Flaming Skyrocket. Flammable Rocket, same thing. Kinda got two more here, just gonna show you guys. Then here we go, we have some nice freaking let me turn these around. Sorry guys. Crackling Candle. Shoots 10 balls by Great Grizzly. So pretty cool. Got some Dixie Whistlers. It's a flammable rocket with report. 144 pieces. It's a whole gross of whistling bottle rockets. Now here I'll pick it up. Got some 2, 4, 6 artillery shells with the tube in the middle. Shoots flaming balls and reports like that. I took it off the top because I want to show you guys. Here we go. This one's Unleash the Beast. Shoots 3 reds, 3 greens, 3 yellows, and 3 blues. This one's kind of messed up. My dad took it out. I got these the same day I'm posting these up for you guys, so please subscribe to me. I got a lot of this stuff. I'll stand up and show you guys all of it. Firecrackers burn off, all the fountains, then go to there.